mo na-discover na ito yung genre para sa'yo?
Marami ka ba titry na iba bago mo na-determine?
I guess, I've listened to a lot of John Mayer, Incubus, that sort of sound. Dave Matthews also, so there's like a lot of strumming actually in how I play. But yeah, mostly that. I think it's really the darker tones that I like.
Favorite song?
In general, Change the World, Eric Clapton.
Oh.
Ganda yan.
Bakit?
Paano yun?
Saba.
It's gonna make a change.
No, that's Michael Jackson.
Inawat ka niya.
Binaboy ko yung favorite song niya.
Inawat ka. Hindi, pasample na natin kay pasample natin kay Mix.
Change the world. Sorry, my throat's a bit.
Okay
Sige lang.
I will be the sunlight in your universe. Do you think my love was really something good? Baby, if I could change the world.
Uy,
Mash up.
sakto yung boses ni Mix, parang speaker ng Binfas ha.
Oo, ngayon. So, okay lang ba may segment tayo ngayon? Ito mas maayos na, promise namin. Hindi nasasakit ang ulo nyo dito. Dito sa segment na to. Second time na namin gagawin. Pero, eto, try natin yung meron kaming playlist dito, Mix.
Okay.
Na titingnan natin kung gaano ka-hilig sa music. So, magpe-play lang kami ng 5 seconds. And then, pwede, ituloy mo kung nare-recognize mo yung kanta.
Okay.
Kasi nung huling ginawa namin to, kasama namin si Queen Yasmin, yung thermostat ng aircon bumaba.
Uminit eh.
Uminit.
Nag-road rage kami. So, eto. First song. Ready ka na?
Ready.
Ito, dahil si Queen Yasmin ang nagpasimula nito, ito ang segment natin tatawagin na Singing Inside the Car.
Wow. I love the creativity.
Yes.
Ito, first song.
I know this song, but I don't know the title. It's Halsey, no?
Hindi rin.
Oh, it's not. Who is it?
Si Bayani Agbayani. Si Gracie Abrams.
Gracie Abrams.
Ito. So, hindi mo alam yung kasunod?
Oh, there's another Green GSM.
Ocho. Ito, next song na tayo. Next song. Ito. Baka ito mas...
These are TikTok songs, aren't they? Do you know these songs?
Ha? Matanda na kami para dito sa mga kantang to.
Actually, it's not our jam.
You're still here next to me. What a great... I don't remember the lyrics.
Sabrina Carpenter. Diba?
That's true. You just haven't taste me when he's kissing you. I know the lyrics, I don't know the title.
Taste.
Oh,
By
sorry.
Sabrina
Wow.
Carpenter.
Bago yan sa pandinig ko
Etong si Sabrina Carpenter, parang matagal na siyang... Ngayon lang ba siya pumutok?
Yeah, but
Diba?
she's been around a while.
Diba?
Yeah.
Parang doon ka
One
ba
of
nakakuha
those.
ng inspiration sa kanya? Kasi parang
I should. Yeah.
para sa mga struggling artists na
Yeah.
mayroon ka pa rin panahon eh.
Yes.
Diba?
Agree. But I think it's also because she did a really good rebranding. Marketing din siya. Kasi dati, diba, parang you don't know what she looked like before, but all of a sudden, femininely, hyper-feminine yung outfits
Di ba
niya.
ang background mo is art management?
Yes.
Anong pinag-aaralan doon?
Management.
So, kasama ba doon yung marketing ng art?
Yeah, kind of. A little bit.
Okay.
Pero, lalo na yung mga productions din. So, I also worked in CCP for a bit, actually. So, I know the area you guys were talking about earlier, where your studio is.
Okay.
But yeah, events management for arts-related stuff and all of that. Yeah.
So,
So, production.
if ever, kung kunyari, Meron ka bang in-apply na branding sa image mo or
Yeah, kind of. Yeah. It's just,
anong klaseng
I think I would define my branding as just literally just me being me.
laid back? Laid back ba?
I guess. I like being transparent. I think that's like the best type of branding. Because like if you're branding yourself, it's like just go with who you are anyway. So what you guys see in the videos or my content, that's me. That's just me being me. And I'm proud to say that because like I think I have a good personality. If you don't think I'm pretty, at least I have that. So
Oo naman. Actually, hindi naman sa yung producer namin kanina, medyo natatakot sa'yo kanina eh.
bakit?
Kasi shy type ka raw. Ganyan.
Oh,
Kayo na bahala sa kanya.
nantok kasi ako.
Ibinilin ka niya parang magulang mo siya.
Bagong gising kasi ako kanina. Tsaka medyo yung throat ko. So medyo down yung immune
Pero nung
system.
nakausap ka na namin during lunch, ano naman light.
Oo.
Kumbaga,
Thank you.
hindi ka snub or parang,
Dapat ba maging snob ako?
ha?
Wag na, malapit
Wag
na rin
na.
tayo matapos eh.
Ngayon mo pa inaisipan gawin yan.
wag.
Eto,
May
next.
few songs pa.
Next song.
Do I have to sing the next lyrics or can I just sing the chorus?
Okay lang, sige.
Sige.
Ano nga yung chorus? Oh my gosh, how does it go? Already know I'm really alone. Don't be shy. Come be the man I need. You got something of me I want it. I kinda like it when you call me wonderful. Be the man I need.
Wow.
Man I need, Olivia.
Ibang klase pala kapag ang kasama natin sa kotse ay
Di.
marunong talaga kumanta. Hindi siya
Ayos,
masakit sa ulo.
ayos eh, no?
Oo, okay pala, no?
Ano eh, nung huling experience kasi namin talagang it's hard.
Pero
What
we love you,
happened?
Queen.
Oh, we love you,
We
Queen.
love you.
Ay, ikaw ang aming queen, alam mo yan.
Eto, nabanggit mo kanina to. Laksa mo parinig mo yung speaker ng ano.
Oh yeah, oh my gosh, what's the title? Oh my gosh, this is Janine, isn't it?
Yes.
Far out, what's the title of the song?
Janine Desenderio.
Hindi.
Wala.
Hindi. Si E.G. Worms ang kumanta, no? Di na
muli.
Di na muli.
Ang
Ang galing.
Lamig, ah.
Oo. Iba pa ba si Janine kay Janine Berdin?
Yes.
Iba.
Oh, yeah. Ito naman kay...
Ano ba ang tawag sa di ko nga syota? Pero kaya ka
Ano ba
Ah!
tawag dyan? Ano ba tawag dyan?
Pa-transform ka na.
Situationship. Huwag na nga to.
Sulit ang kulitan, bitin sa tawanan. Catch the latest episodes on YouTube, Spotify, or wherever you listen to podcasts. Dito lang sa Fast Lane with VinFast.